First reading, Isaiah chapter 26 verse 7 to 9, 12, 16 to 19. The path of the upright one is honesty. You smooth the honest way of the upright, following the path of your judgments, Yahweh. We set our hopes in you. Your name, your memory are all our soul desires. At night my soul longs for you, and my spirit within me seeks you out. For when your judgments appear on earth, the inhabitants of the world learn what saving justice is. Yahweh, you will grant us peace, having completed all our undertakings for us. Yahweh, in distress they had recourse to you. They expended themselves in prayer, since your punishment was on them. As a pregnant woman near her time of delivery writhes and cries out in her pangs, so have we been, Yahweh. In your eyes, we have been pregnant, we have writhed, but we have given birth only to wind. We have not given salvation to the earth. No inhabitants for the world have been brought to birth. Your dead will come back to life. Your corpses will rise again. Wake up and sing, you dwellers in the dust, for your dew will be a radiant dew, but the earth will give birth to the shades. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 102 verse 13 to 14, 15, 16 to 18, 19 to 21. Rise up, take pity on Zion. The time has come to have mercy on her, the moment has come, for your servants love her very stones, are moved to pity by her dust. Then will the nations revere the name of Yahweh, and all the kings of the earth your glory. When Yahweh builds Zion anew, he will be seen in his glory. He will turn to hear the prayer of the destitute, and will not treat their prayer with scorn. This shall be put on record for a future generation, and a people yet to be born shall praise God. Yahweh has leaned down from the heights of his sanctuary, has looked down from heaven to earth, to listen to the sighing of the captive, and set free those condemned to death, to proclaim the name of Yahweh in Zion, his praise in Jerusalem. Gospel, Matthew chapter 11 verse 28 to 30. Come to me, all you who labor and are overburdened, and I will give you rest. Shoulder my yoke and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. Yes, my yoke is easy and my burden light.